Are you a small YouTuber struggling to get views and subscribers on your channel? Well, in this video, I'm gonna tell you what you can do to bring in those subs and those views, honey. So keep on watching. Welcome back to my channel, and if it is your first time here, welcome. If you want to learn how to start a YouTube channel or even just to grow the YouTube channel that you already have, well, you're in the right place because I'm here to help you grow your influence on YouTube using your videos. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, then hit that subscribe button right now and hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And also, remember to check out the shop in the description box. And the first thing that you want to do is create interesting titles that demand attention. When I tell you about your thumbnails, I always tell you to pay attention to magazine covers and movie covers. We're going to get into that a little bit later, but coming up with your title, you want to come up with interesting titles, just as interesting as the one that you see in a newspaper or even in the same magazine. When you see titles in magazines or even in the newspaper, it's like it just draws you in, you know? It's like you can't help yourself, you just have to start reading. That's what you want your video titles to be like. Some titles that does really good on YouTube are like auto. YouTube is like the second largest search engine in the world. So people are always searching up how to do things. Next is the word secret. The word secret is a powerful word. If there's something that you think you know that I don't know, but others think they know, but they don't know that they don't know, they want to know. So they're gonna click. Be honest, that was kind of cool, right? That was kind of cool. Next, you have the titles that comes with a little warning. You know what I mean? Like, before you do this, watch this. That gets you curious, right? Like, what is this person talking about? And another one is like, avoid these mistakes if you want to grow. What mistakes? What are they talking about? So you're going to click. And next you have the titles that tell you exactly what you're going to get from the video. For example, richest black female in Africa. You're going to want to know who that is. So you're going to click. Listen, the best tip I can give you as a small YouTuber, or even if you're just thinking of starting your channel, the best tip I can give you is think about your viewers. Think about what value you can give to them. So stay away from titles like my vacation in Jamaica, or my trip to Europe, or my weekend in New York. Those are not searchable titles. Nobody cares because nobody knows you. Nobody knows who you are. So nobody's gonna click on that video. So as I said before, just focus on topics that people are searching for. They're already searching for. How to put my hair in a sleek ponytail. How to do a simple makeup look. There's so many how to. That's just example. But if you do how to video, give people answer to their question, that's how you're going to get views. That is how you're going to get subscribers. Listen, I talk about this tool on my channel so often. If you don't have TubeBuddy, you need to get TubeBuddy now. There's a link in the description, and the best thing is it is free. I could have not done this without TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is what I use to find the right titles that I can rank for as a small YouTuber, to get views and to get subscribers. I could not have done it without TubeBuddy. So if you're a small YouTuber, you're just starting out, you need TubeBuddy. I promise you. TubeBuddy is literally the best tool to use to grow your channel. There's a link in the description. Click it and get it. So to really grow your channel really fast, try to use those type of titles that I just tell you about. Titles with secrets, titles that spike curiosity. Use those how to. Use those type of titles along with TubeBuddy, and you're going to get your video ranking in search, and you're going to get views and subscribers. That's how you do it. Tip number 2, appreciate your growth. What I mean by this is, oftentimes we have 10 subscribers or 3 likes, and we look at it like, oh, I only have 10 subscribers, I only have 3 likes. You have to respect and appreciate what you have. You have to bear in mind that that is 10 people that actually subscribe to your channel. Those are people. Don't ever look at it like it's just a number. Oh, I only have 10 subscribers. No, you have 10 people who are interested in your channel. You need to appreciate the small wins so that when you get the big wins, you can actually appreciate it even more. Listen, I know we're just human and we put so much focus and so much attention on the numbers, and we lose focus sometimes, forgetting that, okay, that's literally a person. That subscriber, those 10 subscribers are people with feelings. Never ever treat your viewers like numbers. It's not just 10 views. That's 10 people that watch your video. As I said, you have to appreciate the little wins so that you can appreciate the big wins. Remember that. So don't focus on what you don't have. Focus on what you have. For example, even say you go live. A lot of people don't go live because they only have 5 people watching. It's 5 people that are there with you watching. That's enough. Even if it was 1, you have to appreciate people. They're taking time out of their day to sit there and talk with you, interact with you, watch you live. So you're saying that, oh, because it's not 100 or 300 or 500 or 1,000 people there with you, you don't appreciate it, so you don't go live? I go live when it's only 1 person there with me. 1. And we sit and we talk back and forth because I appreciate the 1 person that take the time out of their day to sit there with me and talk and watch me do nothing. Just appreciate your viewers. Never let them feel like they're just a number. The next tip on how to get views and subscribers on YouTube for a beginner is always do a call to action. Listen, this is very important. If you don't let your viewers know what you want them to do, chances are they're going to do nothing. They're just going to watch the video and leave. So always have a call to action in your video. Please like this video. Please subscribe. Please leave a comment. One at a time. Okay? So you're not going to say something like, hey, like, comment, subscribe, share. No, you don't want to do that. But you want to do a call to action. So say something like, hey, if you're enjoying this video, please go ahead and like the video. I'm talking to you. Do it right now. Like the video. Whenever you create a YouTube video, depending on the length of the video that is, you can do 3 call to action. 1 at the beginning, 1 in the middle, 1 at the end. Whenever you ask your viewers to subscribe, always remember to tell them to hit the bell so that whenever you upload a new video, they are notified. They know that, okay, there's a new video. If they do not hit the bell, they're not going to be notified that you upload a new video. The next tip on how to get views and subscribers on YouTube for a beginner is, I know that you hear this one a lot, but please bear with me. I promise you, it's a big part of the formula for success on YouTube, and that is consistency. Long-term consistency results in short-term intensity. Remember that. A lot of people start a YouTube channel and they quit after uploading 10 videos because they get the feeling that nobody's seen their videos, nobody's seen their channel. They're not getting any views, they're not getting any likes, they're not getting any comments. So they just give up. After spending all that time searching for contents, recording, sitting down for hours, editing, I know it is disheartening. I know, but you have to keep uploading. You have to keep on your schedule. It's gonna work out. Just keep on uploading. You could quit YouTube right now, not knowing that the next video that you didn't upload would have been the video that got your channel to be discovered. But you wouldn't know because you quit. Listen, I say this a lot, but YouTube is a long-term thing. There's no overnight success here. You just have to keep grinding. If you want it enough, just keep doing it. It's gonna work out, I promise. Just keep at it. And if you want your channel to grow even faster, upload 2 to 3 times per week. Well, if your life and your schedule permits. But I promise you, if you upload 2 or 3 times per week, your channel is gonna grow so much faster. If you want it enough, just commit to your YouTube channel. Put in the time, the energy, and the work. Just keep uploading. Think of it as an investment and you're waiting patiently for your return. Think of it that way. If you enjoy this video and you want to learn more about how to grow your YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now and hit the bell so that every time I upload, you're notified. And remember, stay humble, but keep hustling.